In today's video, I'll show you everything related to monetization on YouTube channel. You'll get to know what options are available and how you can get your YouTube channel monetized. So let's get into the computer screen. You're on YouTube channel. Either you will see this page. If you see this page, just head over here and come to this account section. This is your avatar. Click here and click on YouTube Studio. Once you click here, you will see this page. This is your YouTube channel page, and this earn tab will open once you are monetized. And for monetization, you see here all these things are available. I'll go on this in detail, but for now, the eligibility as on March 11th, you need to have at least 500 subscribers and 3 video uploads, and also one of the either that is 3000 public watch hours in last 365 days, that is 1 year, or in the last 90 days 3 million view on Shark. So frankly speaking, with right strategy, getting this is not a problem at all. Getting subscriber is a challenge because unlike before, not everyone comes and subscribe to the channel. They really have to find value in your channel for them to come and subscribe. So how you can strategize, how you can make sure that your channel grows long term, that again I will get into detail as we go ahead with the video. So once you achieve this, then you go through the monetization process and then you will start getting revenue from YouTube. Then you also have option for membership super and shopping again. You have to become eligible. So that will happen as you continue the journey. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Please do like, share and comment. If you found this video useful, also relevant links including video links are there in the description, including setting up of Google AdSense account, and hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching Canada Driving Tester.